Changing your oil is the easiest way to extend the life of your precious motorcycle. In this video, I'll show you how. Let's get it. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be working on my 2022 Yamaha MT07. Before we get started, a few tools that you are going to need for this bike. A 17mm ratchet. A torque wrench is optional but preferred. An oil wrench to remove the filter. A new oil filter. I'm using the Yamaha genuine OEM filter. Here is the part number. I bought a bag of crush washers that I recommend you change every time you do an oil change. They're really inexpensive. You can get them off of Amazon. Here is the part number that I got, and some high quality oil. I'm just going to use the Yamalube synthetic 10W40. You'll also want some sort of shop towels to keep everything clean. First thing you want to do is warm the bike up. It's a lot easier to drain the fluid once the bike is warmed up. We're going to remove the oil fill cap, set that aside. And you're going to take your 17mm ratchet. Here's your drain bolt down here on this bike. Crack it loose. Try to do this, don't get too much oil everywhere. Make sure you have something to catch your oil underneath it. There you go. As that drains, one thing you want to pay attention to is the crush washer. You want to make sure that you remove the old crush washer. Install the new crush washer. Now you're going to take your oil wrench, oil filter wrench, and loosening that. Yamaha recommends that you change the oil filter every other oil service, but I do it every time I change oil. They're inexpensive. They're not that hard to replace, so I just go ahead and change them. All right, and we're gonna sit here and let this drain for a bit. All right, now that it's just about done draining, we're going to install the new, or the drain bolt with the new crush washer. And we're gonna torque it down to 32 foot-pounds. Just gonna get that snug in there. Before we torque that down, let's go ahead and install the oil filter. It comes with a little plastic cover. What you want to make sure to do is get a light coating of oil and make sure you rub the O-ring before you put it on. The O-ring, or the oil filter needs to be torqued down to 13 foot-pounds, but I just snug it up with my hand. Good. Just wipe everything down. Okay. All right. Now that the oil filter is on, we can go ahead and torque down the drain bolt. I have my torque wrench set to 32 foot-pounds. Helps if you go the right way. Okay. All right, so we have the drain bolt in, the oil filter in. Next, we're going to drain the old oil into a container. Always make sure you recycle your oil. Now we have to fill the oil up in the on this Yamaha MT07. It has a clear spyglass where you can see the level of the oil. You have a low indicator and a high indicator. Because I am on a rear stand there, it's going to be unlevel. So what I'll do is I will fill it up till it reaches almost just about the top of the high level indicator, and then I will take the bike off the stand, check it on level to make sure that it's adequately filled. This bike with the oil filter change takes about 2 quarts, about 2 3/4, 2.75 quarts. If you don't do the filter on this bike, it takes about 2.4 quarts of oil. I think I've gotten to a pretty good spot where I can take it off the rear stand and check it. All right. So you can see looks like it's just about almost to the top. And when I take it off the stand, it should be level. Because we changed the oil filter, what we have to do now is start the bike, get oil flowing, and then we will have to check the oil level again. All right, so now we're just gonna let this oil fill back up. I'm gonna check it here in a few minutes. After I started the bike, check the level. It was a little low, of course, so we're gonna go ahead and top it off. When you're replacing your oil fill cap, just make sure you get a little oil on the O-ring here. Clean the surface off, get rid of any dirt or debris that may have ended up on there. Snug it down. Let's remove it off the rear stand and check the level one more time. With the bike level, we're sitting right at the full mark. Looks good. All right, just like that, we're all finished. It was that easy. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I also have a DNA Stage 2 air filter that I will be doing a video on shortly, replacing the stock air filter out of the MT07 here. Again, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.